Hello student, I Vikas Kacha Patel from Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Today I will start chapter number 1 Relation and Function, Standard 12 Science subject Mathematics. In this video topics cover relation. In this chapter main three topics: first relation, second function. Function is special type of relation. Third, binary operation. Binary operation is one type of function. Next, what is the meaning of relation in English language? The connection between two or more things. Example, teacher and student, husband and wife, brother and sister. Next, relation in mathematics language. Relation from two set A2 from set B. If A and B are any two non-empty set, then the subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. Here A and B two non-empty set. Okay, that means A not equal to phi and B not equal to phi. The any subset of A cross B is called relation. Generally, a relation is denoted by capital R and sometimes use capital S. That means R subset of A cross B. Here example, relation from A to B, phi subset of A cross B, itself A cross B subset of A cross B. Next, relation on set A. If A is non-empty set, then any subset of A cross A is called a relation on set A. Example of relation from A to B. Let A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4. Cartesian product A cross B is equal to 1, 2 cross 3, 4. Okay. Now pair, order pair 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. Example of relation from A to B. Here R1 is equal to phi subset of A cross B. R2 is equal to order pair 1, 3. Okay, so then R2 subset of A cross B. R3 is equal to 1, 4. Okay, R3 subset of A cross B. R4 is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay, so then R4 subset of A cross B. R5 is equal to 1, 3 and 2, 3. So then R5 subset of A cross B. R6 is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4 and 2, 3. So R6 subset of A cross B. R7 is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So then R7 subset of A cross B. R8 is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. Then R8 subset of A cross B. That means R1, R2, R3 up to so on. R8 relation from A to B. Okay. Next, example of relation on set A. Let A is equal to 1, 2. So then A cross A is equal to 1, 2 set 1, 2 is equal to set order pair 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2. Total number of 4 elements. Okay. R1 is equal to phi. Then R1 subset of A cross A. R2 is equal to 1, 1. R2 subset of A cross A. R3 is equal to order pair 1, 2. The R3 subset of A cross A. R4 is equal to set order pair 1, 1 and 1, 2. Then R4 subset of A cross A. R5 is equal to order pair 2, 1, 2, 2. The R5 subset of A cross A. R6 is equal to order pair 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1. Then R6 subset of A cross A. R7 is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Then R7 subset of A cross A. R8 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. The R8 subset of A cross A. Then R1, R2, up to so on are an example of relation on set A. Okay. Next, how many total number of relation on set A? So if the number of relation in set A is an element, then the number of relation on set A is equal to 2 raised to n raised to 2. Okay. Let A is equal to xy, then number of A is equal to 2. Here two element x and y. Okay. Therefore, the number of relation on set A is equal to 2 raised to 4. Why 2 raised to 4? Here the number of relation formula A is equal to 2 raised to n raised to 2, but here n is equal to 2. That means 2 raised to 2 raised to 2. Okay, so is equal to 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. A cross A is equal to xy cross xy. Okay, so is equal to order pair xy, xx, yx and yy. Okay, so total 16 relation. R1 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 subset of A cross A. R2 A cross A cross A, always subset of A cross A. Okay, next R3 xx subset of A cross A. R4 order pair xy subset of A cross A. Next R5 is equal to yx subset of A cross A. R6 is equal to yy subset of A cross A. R7 is equal to xx xy. R7 subset of A cross A. Next R8 similar A subset of A cross A. Okay, next R9 is equal to xx yy subset of A cross A. R10 is equal to xy yx subset of A cross A. R11 is equal to xy y. So R11 subset of A cross A. Okay, R13 is equal to order pair xx xy yx. So then R13 subset of A cross A. R14 is equal to order pair xx yx and yy. Then R14 subset of A cross A. R15 is equal to order pair xx yx and yy. So then R15 subset of A cross A. R16 is equal to order pair xy, yx and yy. Okay, so then R16 subset of A cross A. So how many pair? How many relation? The total then 16 relation. Okay, R1, R2, R3, R4 up to so on R16. Okay. Next, empty relation on set A. What is empty set? Empty set means no element. Okay. Next, empty relation. A relation R in a set A is called empty relation. So if no element of A is related to every element of A. Okay. Here relation R in a set A. Okay. Empty relation. So no element of A is related to element of A. Okay. That means R is equal to phi subset of A cross A. Example, a relation R on a set A is equal to 1 to define as R is equal to order pair xy, where x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. Now find x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. On set R, a relation. Okay. So here A cross A, तो A cross A find करे तो pair 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2. Let first pair 1 1, so x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So then x plus y means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, not equal to 5. Next, pair 1 2. Okay, so then x equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, not equal to 5. Next 2 1, so similarly 3 not equal to 5. Next pair 2 2, x equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, not equal to 5. Means, okay, R is empty relation. Okay, on set A. Next, universal relation on set A. If each element of A is related to every element of A, okay, is called universal relation. That means R is equal to A cross A. Example, a relation R on a set A is equal to 1 to define as R is equal to order pair xy where x plus y less than equal to 5. આપણે find કરો relation. Okay, તો find કરીએ relation. તો here on set A is equal to 1 2. તો first pair 1 1, તો 1 plus 1 2, 2 less than equal to 5. Okay, and 1 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 to 2, 1 plus 2 means 3, 3 less than equal to 5, satisfied. Okay, next pair 2 plus 1, so 2 plus 1 to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, if less than equal to 5. Okay, and 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 means 4, 4 less than equal to 5. Okay, so R is universal relation. Next, both empty relation and universal relation are sometimes called trivial relation. Okay, empty relation and universal relation are sometimes called trivial relation. You are interested to contact our school, Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School and Sat Keval Vidya Mandir. Thank you very much.